people.
Welcome back to our channel.
Forwarded.
I'm Jen.
Come on, everybody knows.
Not everybody.
Listen,
our new
everybody knows us by now.
It's your girl, Jen.
Call me whatever you want.
And my handsome husband, Julius. And today, Julius, babe, tell them what you're doing today.
Oh, we're doing something different as always. Because, you know, we always try to be creative and come up with our own ways and, you know, to entertain you guys. So today we're going to do Jamaican Proverbs.
And honestly, guys, I know nothing about Jamaican Proverbs, but I always want to learn about the culture as much as I can. And honestly, I literally learn something new every day. So I'm gonna give this one a go.
So what is a proverb?
I don't know.
She want to learn proverbs.
I do.
Okay. All right. So in summary, it's just a word of wisdom. You know, they've been using back in the days.
Or is it a statement kind of?
It's high in Patwa, or the Jamaican language. So what I'm gonna do, or what we're gonna do, I'm gonna say some proverbs in my Jamaican language. I'm gonna say some proverbs in Patwa, and then she's going to repeat it, right? So she's going to repeat it the way I say it, and also she'll try to guess what it means, and I'll tell her what it means.
You didn't tell me that part.
Exactly. I can't always fill her in because she's gonna be too prepared. So I just have to listen, I have an idea and this is what we're gonna do.
But
okay.
I don't know anything about Jamaican Proverbs, so this is a whole learning.
Yeah.
And at the same time, not only am I learning, but you guys all get to learn.
Listen,
too,
it's a part of the culture, even for some Jamaicans, because I don't know plenty of them if I weren't doing my
I've
research.
seen a few before, but honestly, guys, I know nothing about Jamaican Proverbs.
Okay.
Maybe 2 or 3.
Bruh. Okay. Well, let's hope I don't have any on my list today. But you guys can play along. You guys can follow along. Don't look at them. Don't look on my list. Don't look on my list the way I try to do. Alright, here we go. So we're going to start off this one. Pretty simple and easy.
That's the way
so she get a feel of it. And then we're going to get into it. Right?
Wish me luck.
If you can't get turkey, satisfied with jankro.
What?
If you can't get turkey, satisfied with jankro.
So if you can't get the best, settle for what's next?
You have to repeat it.
Oh wait, sorry. Can you say that again? Sorry.
I'm only gonna repeat it once.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Forward,
I forgot about that whole repeat thing.
Yeah,
because you
so
just threw that on me.
First she have to repeat it, and after she repeat it, then she have to tell me what she think it means.
All right.
Okay?
If you can't get turkey,
so listen.
you have to satisfy with John Crow.
If you can't get turkey, satisfy with John Crow.
If you can't get turkey, satisfy with John Crow. If you can't get the best, you just have to settle for what's next.
Yeah, you just have to you kind of get it. You just have to make the best of bad situation. You know, you just have to make the best of what you have and don't force it for what you don't have.
All right.
So she was pretty close.
But he said he's starting off easy, so I don't know how the rest are gonna be.
Wanty can't get it, and get it no wanty.
Wanty can't get it, and get no wanty. Meaning when you really, really want something, you can't get it. But when you have everything you need, you want more. I don't know.
Wanty can't get it no wanty. Want it. So it's, for example, the have-not, right? You know, the have-not, the people that are in need, they need stuff, but the people that already have it, they take it for granted. Yeah, so the people that has it don't really want it because they don't really see the importance of it, but the people that don't have it see the importance, and that's why they really need it. Yeah. All right, that's a good one.
See, we're learning, guys. We're learning.
What that one you gonna? That one you say? What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly?
Was sweet not a goat to go run his belly?
What sweet what?
Was sweet not a goat?
Naddy?
And not a goat?
Inadi goat?
I'm gonna run it belly.
Okay.
Meaning it might be good while you have it. It might be good in that moment. But wait, say that one more time.
I'm sorry, I won't. I honestly won't.
But you better be careful.
What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly? What
yeah, meaning
sweet,
it's gonna give him the shit.
What sweet the nanny goat, or I don't even remember what they call the nanny goat. I don't know if that's the female goat or the ram goat or whatever. I go run in belly. So it simply means it might appears good, it might seems good, it might look good, but that doesn't mean it is good.
See, we learned something new.
Are you learning something?
I am, yes.
I'm gonna be honest, most of these proverbs, like these ones I know, but there's a lot of them I don't really know. If I haven't was researching or whatever, I wouldn't even know it. Me old but me not cold.
Me old but me not cold.
What does it mean?
It means you might be old, but you still have a lot of life left in you.
You still have a lot of life left in you.
You're old, but you're not dead yet. You're not cold, right?
Sure. Exactly. You're not cold, meaning you're not dead, right? So yeah, should we give her that point? Because she said
so.
You might be old, but you still have some life in you. But what it basically means is don't ever underestimate the elderly. Always learn from experience.
Yes, and always respect your elders, people.
Yes, respect me. Always respect your elder. Every wab then tika bush.
Wait. What?
Every wab then tika bush.
One more time. All I heard is bush.
I promise I wouldn't repeat it, but
one more time.
Every wab then tika bush.
Baby, I don't even know what you're saying. All I hear is every one something bush.
Every hole have every hole have them stick a bush.
Every hole have them stick a bush.
Yeah.
Every hole.
Yeah.
Meaning for every one door closes, another one opens. I don't know.
Everyone they think I wish meaning from one door closed, another one open. So you're using one Proverbs to answer another one. It's just basically mean there's someone out there for everyone.
Aww.
Yeah, there's someone out there for everyone.
Did you use that proverb for me?
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean for you?
When you were looking for me.
Tap it out. Tap foolish. God.
Alright, let's go.
He'll never be foretold.
He'll never be foretold. Meaning
He'll never be foretold.
Meaning don't count your eggs before they hatch.
It means you need to deal with the important first, the important things first. It's weird, but it's just basically saying deal with the important stuff first before you deal with stuff that.
So that wouldn't that be similar as don't count your eggs before they hatch?
No, that one would be different, because that's don't count your egg before they hatch, meaning it's you're celebrating before you win.
Right.
Alright.
I'm trying, guys. I'm trying.
Alright. Next one. Moving on. 1 cocoa full basket.
1 cocoa full basket. I don't know what that means.
1 cocoa full basket.
1 cocoa full basket. But me not know what it means.
But me not know what it means. What do you think it means? 1 cocoa full basket.
It means you have so many blessings.
So
Because your
many.
basket's full with cocoa.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
I don't know. Honestly, baby,
I'm so glad this is not the fish fry challenge.
Babe, I'm trying.
I know, but
I've never heard
What?
these proverbs before.
one coca-fill basket. It simply means don't expect to receive success overnight. You know what I mean? Like, take it one step at a time.
Oh,
You know, it's like
see, I'm learning, baby.
one step up the ladder. each
One
time,
step up the ladder.
or one day at a time.
1 foot in front of the other.
One. See? Same thing, right? Moving on. Blood thicker than water.
Blood thicker than water. Meaning, family over everything.
Yeah. See, she got that one. That one was easy. Family relatives come first. Blood thicker than water, right?
That's not always the case, though.
Or it's just meaning like you and your family relatives are just strong, you know, like
And that's the,
the
way
bond-
that
the
it, that's
bond-
the way that it should
the
be.
bond between you and your family. It's just strong.
That's the way
what
it should be.
Blood thicker than water. Me mouth and me market.
Me mouth on me market. My mouth will make me smart.
Bruh.
My mouth will make me smart.
Yes. You know, like marketing.
I thought she was gonna say like my mouth will make me rich, because it says me mouth and me market.
Yeah, market.
Not like market as in like online market. It means market
like a
as
food
in,
market?
yeah,
like your
like a
mouth
food
wants to
market.
eat?
No.
Bruh.
Me mouth and me market simply mean I'm free to say whatever I want.
Oh, and I do say
Because it's
whatever.
my mouth, you know, I can say or do whatever I want.
That's
I
a
can say
proverb
whatever.
I should really know.
You're too fanky.
You're too fanky. You think too much.
Oh man, I think she's really overthinking these. You're fanky. It just means you're too slight, you know, like you're too. What would they call it again? Fanky. Like, you know, you're easy to fall down. You're weak.
Oh, clumsy. The
Ah,
Canadian term would be clumsy. That's definitely be.
You're too fanky. Never see come see.
Never say come see. What you don't have, you'll never get.
Never see come see it. What you don't have, you know. It just meaning never see come see. It's a weird meaning for this one, but it means when somebody's like behaving like they're over exaggerating, you know. You know, like when
I would
somebody's
never
like
guess
over enthused, like they're like over, like never see come see. It's just like you're saying, oh yeah, hype.
Like too
You're
excited.
hype, or
like-
you're hype. You know, like
Yeah.
people say, yeah, hype or whatever.
I would
it
have
is.
never guessed that one. Sorry,
Yeah.
guys.
Never see come see. All right, moving on to the next one. Every puppy show have them own a gang.
Every poppy show have them own a gang. Meaning, for every dummy.
I'm listening.
There's a whole other bunch of dummies behind them. That's what it sounds like to me.
She's technically right, because if it just means you tend to like click with people of the same nature, you know, like
Yeah,
you do the
like-
same thing, like footballers with like, you know, our soccer, I should say, will stick to
So
like
that's
a
a
lot of
semi,
soccer
right?
people, you know. If idiot will stick to
Yeah, idiot.
fool will stick to like a group of fool, you know. So you just that you stick to your group of people are of the same nature.
I
You
think I
believe
got
so?
Yeah, I think I got a half a mark for that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, she did good on that one. I'm not gonna lie. I thought she was gonna say something crazy, but her example actually makes sense. Every puppy show of them owner. Yeah. No trouble until trouble you.
No trouble until trouble. Wait. No trouble until trouble you.
Me never say until.
Meaning, don't
Mhm.
cause a ruckus
Mhm.
until a ruckus comes looking for you.
It basically means don't start trouble.
Don't start trouble, exactly. So don't
Yeah,
start a
don't.
ruckus. Now, hang on a second. If somebody starts something with you, then you know, by all means.
Anyways, I know all who go to church go for prayer.
And I'll go church, go for prayer. Meaning, people, looks can be deceiving.
That's a whole different like proverb, like different
Really?
like saying right there.
Well, but it's kind of like true though.
Don't
believe everything you see.
That's
like,
that's not what it means.
Well, then what
It
does
say, and everybody go at, it say, and everybody, me don't want to fool
He
you.
doesn't even know.
And all over church go for prayer. So it simply means not everyone that goes to church, they go there to praise the Lord. And
So what do they go there for?
to gossip. To gossip and talk people and listen about people life and, you know, stuff like that. Without like not related, they just want to gossip.
Can't they just go to the corner for that or something?
Yeah, but you have people who go to church. But babe, it's just saying not everybody goes to church, goes for prayer.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that it only happens in the church.
Okay.
It happens
Next.
everywhere. Few more. We only have a few more to go. Every long lane have a turning.
Every long lane have a turn-in. Meaning, doesn't matter how long it takes to get there, you're gonna reach your destination eventually.
Every long lane have a turning.
Yeah.
It means nothing lasts forever.
Oh.
Everything's gonna come to an end at some point, right? So
See,
the
I'm
long
semi-right on that.
the long lane,
I'm
and then when the
semi-right.
turning start, that's when the long or the straight lane finish.
I'm semi-right.
Yeah,
Right? Right.
I'm trying to justify for these proverbs.
Babe, these
Anyways.
are new to me.
The first water I pass him wash himself.
The first water I pass him wash
The
himself.
first what?
Water.
The first water pass him wash himself.
Yeah.
Me say the first water I pass him
Right.
watch himself.
What?
The first water I pass him watch himself.
The first water I pass him watch himself.
What does it mean?
I don't know. I don't know that one.
I don't know what it means either.
Babe!
Yeah,
he's
but
giving me proverbs
listen,
that he doesn't even know.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you what it means. Okay? Tap your eyes, I'm gonna tell you.
Happy and eyes.
It means always choose the first opportunity. Yeah. The first water I pass him wash himself.
Oh my gosh. Huh.
Cockroach no business in a foul fight.
Cockroach, no business in a full fight.
What does it mean?
I don't know, but I don't like cockroaches.
God, laugh with me.
Don't get involved in people's business.
Yeah.
That's simple, is it? If
Always.
it don't concern you, leave it alone.
Leave it alone.
Oh boy, that's it. Left that alone, brother.
Left it alone.
Left that alone.
Alone.
Alright? Every dog has his day and every puss have a 4 o'clock.
Every dog has his day and every puss have a 4 o'clock. I don't know that one either.
It means today for me, tomorrow for you. Yeah. Every dog have his day and every puss have a 4 o'clock. This is a
Wow.
rotted long video. Alright, so we have one more to go. Okay?
Let's see.
And I saved the best for last. Jacka said the world no level.
Jacka said the world not level.
What does it mean in English?
That to me would mean that the world is not fair.
Oh, she get it. How did she get that one? Oh, I know. It's because it said the world no level. The world no level.
And it's
World
honestly
level.
like I've seen it firsthand because I'm in Canada. I've grown up in Canada in a first world country, and I've been to Jamaica many times, and Jamaica's a third world country.
Listen, nobody gets the same treatment. Life is unfair, and that's what the donkey is saying. Jackass, you know what I mean?
But
Jackass.
it
The
really
world
should
no
be
level.
fair. Everybody should have
Everybody should get the same treatment.
yeah, and a fair shot at life, and all of its offerings. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. And we'll see you guys next time.
Like, share, comment,
Subscribe.
and you know the chop.
Chop chop.
Chat up, boy.
Hey!
Wagwan people. I'm trying not to wake up Jay because Jay is sleeping, you know. But Wagwan people.
Welcome back to our channel.
See, we have so many things talking about. Like we're so unorganized.
No. It's your girl Jen. Babe, I'm not your dog.
Why? Because I'm rubbing your head?
Yeah. Careful now.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I have white people here. Hey guys.
Welcome back forward. But obviously, but now you see it been. How are you doing so far, babe? What do you think you're doing so far?
Great.
What kind of 3, 2, 1 countdown? You know, countdown for this. You just go in and say, Wagwan people. Well, top look, down look.
Babe,
Go
I
ahead.
can't read.
What? Of course.
It's a Samsung.
What did you say? You can't read?
Yeah, it's a Samsung.
What's the difference?
Babe, I could barely see the letters on that
Excuse you,
thing.
top of that. Curly them big and bold. You need to get glasses.